Brandishers, welcome to our first video of 2015. I can't believe where the past 12 months have flown by. Like honestly, 2014 has just whizzed past for me with my new job, with starting Brandish of course, going to Spain, Portugal, just having a lot of fun on that road trip, moving to London, and here we are in a new year altogether.
A very happy new year, and I hope that you guys had an amazing time during the holidays over Christmas and New Year's Eve. There was just so much to celebrate about. I have had an absolute gala during my time. I traveled a little bit and then I also felt sick, which is why we all took a break because Vithi was also not feeling very well and Sheena was also traveling, so we thought we should give ourselves some time since it was the new year, and because during our hectic work schedules and stuff, that is something that we always neglect.
So if you've realized, we haven't been really turning out any new stuff in 2015, having been in a bit of a nostalgia phase because we were trying to remember all the good things that happened and all the happy times of the past year. We just wanted to recall and be thankful for all the happy times that we had in the recent past. So that's what we were doing, but this video marks the beginning of everything new at Brandish this year, and you all can look forward to a lot of new things. Thank you so much for all the love and support that you guys have shown us through the past months ever since Brandish launched, and it is you guys who help us dream big for Brandish, and we hope we continue to do good work for all of you. So
here we are with December monthly favorites, and Sheena would not be able to join us this time, so to compensate for that, both me and Vithi are actually doing 4 of our favorite products instead of 3. And well, Sheena definitely owes you a special video, so be on the lookout for that one. So let's not waste any time and let's begin. So my number 1 for this month is the number 5 by Chanel. This is an absolute timeless perfume. I'm pretty sure a lot of you love this perfume as well. I don't think there's any other scent out there that's comparable to this. It is an absolute favorite of mine. It is perfect for the winter because it has a very warm and bold notes to it. I know that this was in a previous video, Vithi was slightly disappointed by it, but that was just because she was allergic to the notes. I'm pretty sure a lot of you out there who are not allergic to the notes, and you can always try it in the perfume store, whatever store you're actually in, for a while to actually see if this fragrance actually suits you. But if it does, I would absolutely recommend it. Second favorite of the month for me is this Rimmel lipstick. It's the number 107. It's the one that I'm currently wearing. It's a berry shade, and I know that I've previously claimed that I do not like loud shades, but since it's a new year, I told myself I'll experiment and find out if I like any other shades out there, and I really like this one. It's long lasting, it has a matte effect, and the only thing that I don't like about it is the smell. But hey, who buys lipsticks with the best smell, right? So anyway, this is what it looks like, and this is what it looks like on the hand, and I really like it. I think that I would definitely recommend this as my number 2. The third favorite of the month is this Johnson's Baby Oil. It's a really huge pack, I know, but it's the winter, and I definitely recommend that everyone uses this. It's very mild. It doesn't have a very strong scent, so that's really good, and it is absolutely hydrating. I have never ever gone through a winter where I have not used Baby Johnson's oil, and it's definitely my favorite, and I would recommend each one of you to actually use it during your winter times. So yeah, I don't have much to say about this because I think all of you know about this product. So yeah, this is definitely my number 3. The fourth and final product that is an absolute favorite is the Parachute Hot Oil. I know that it's really difficult for me here in Toronto to actually get this, and I really have to search for it in all the Indian stores, and my hair gets really frizzy and dry during the winter, and so I just apply this 10 minutes before I actually wash my hair, and it has always saved me. It's a miracle. What I basically do is I put a little bit of the oil in the container and I put it in the microwave so it gets a little bit hot, and then I apply it with a cotton pad. I would definitely recommend each one of you to use it because it helps strengthen the hair. They become really shiny, they're less frizzy, and the winter definitely requires this. Now moving on to Vithi to see what she has to say for her favorite products.
Let's begin with my monthly favorites for December, the first of which is this Kiko eye pencil. This is something that I fell in love with immediately when I visited the store, and it is their eye pencil. I took the double-ended one. These are available in individual colors as well, but I just took the double-ended one because it was pretty much the same price and I got to try two colors, and I actually fell in love with both the colors, and luckily both of them were available in one stick. So this one is a really dark midnight blue kind of a shade, and the other end is a beautiful coppery brown color, which like I have run down the first sharpened bits of the pencil, but I will be sharpening it soon to use it because I have been using it pretty much all throughout the month and I love it. If you've been following us long enough, you would know I don't like color on my eyes, and this was an exception when I fell in love with it because the midnight blue is pretty much like a black color, but only when there is a lot of light on your face you can somewhat make out that the color is bluish and not black. So it's essentially a blue toned black color, which is just perfect for me, who is trying to venture into a bit of a colored space in my eyeshadows or eyeliners. And same goes for the brown color as well. Like it's a very intense deep brown color, so you can still apply it as a kajal, and you know, it will be really effective in bringing out your eyes. I use it at times when you know, when I'm going for a makeup look that's a little bit softer, and applying a black kajal can make it look really harsh and too prominent on the eyes. So this is the color I like to go for at those times. So I just apply it. It's softer but still defines your eyes and brings them out nicely. So yeah, this is for those times, and I have loved this pencil all through the month. I have been finding excuses to use this pencil, to be honest. My second favorite of this month is this Vitamin E Moisture Cream by The Body Shop. I don't know if either of us has mentioned this in our favorites before because we love this product, like all three of us. Well, Shreya used to, now she's moved on to different brands, but as far as I remember, Sheena still loves this product too. And for me, this has been like a holy grail for moisturizer. And Shreya made me try this product around 3 years ago, and I fell in love with it. It was like I developed few white patches on my skin that get really itchy during winter time, and this healed that. Like, this is not even a medicated cream or anything, and this healed that. It just dissolves into your skin without leaving a trace behind. Like, it is not, almost dropped it there. It is not greasy. It's like really it just blends into your skin like second skin. You won't even come to know that you've applied anything, but once you've done that, your skin feels hydrated and very nice and fresh, and I use it every day. Because of which I run out of it very quickly. The only thing I hate about this product is like this is the biggest size it is available in, and because my husband also loves this cream, both of us run out of at least 2 or 3 of these in a month. And this is not exactly a very cheap cream. Like here it is available for around £11, and even in India, like a year ago or 2 years ago, it was for somewhere around 900 rupees. I'm guessing it is like around the 1100 rupees range now as well. So yeah, it's not the cheapest cream available in the market, and having to run through 3 of these, it's just a little too much on the wallet. Body Shop, please, 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 can you come up with a bigger size of this particular product for fans like us? Please, can you listen to us? My third favorite of this month is a fashion item. In fact, my third and fourth favorites of the month are both fashion items, and I'm going to show you the first one, which is this blanket scarf. Now, I had been on a lookout for these blanket scarves for a long time, and so when I visited India, I just went to the store straight away. I thought it would be really cheap there compared to London, but apparently not. Even like at places like River Island, these blanket scarves are available for I think it was there for around £12 or something, and which is 1200 rupees. And I got this for 1800 rupees, and it's not even any brand. I just went to this mall in Dehradun. It's called Stan Max. So all you Dehradun residents can go there if you want to check this out. I love the checkered pattern on it, and it's really soft wool. I just put it around my neck like that, just this much, and oh my god, my neck starts to feel hot right away. Like I said, it's a blanket scarf, so it's like you're moving around with a mini blanket around your neck, and it always helps you keep cozy and warm, and it's just perfect for really cold winters, which of course London has. And my fourth and final favorite of this month is this oxblood colored jumper by H&M, and this is my favorite item currently in the wardrobe. I wear this so much. Oh my god, it's fluffy, it's got this little furry detailing to it, and because it's fluffy and a very cozy kind of a texture, it can make you look bigger than you are. So I won't recommend it someone from a medium to a bigger body size, but if you are skinny, you can definitely go for this because it just makes you look like you're in the perfect health of things, and keeps your nannies and daddies not commenting on your weight. Like everyone, like I went to India this time and everyone saw me and everyone had an opinion about my weight, but I can't help it. Like I want to put on weight, but I'm not able to. We did a post on the oxblood color, and Sheena did pants while I did on this jumper. I'm going to link both of them down below, so you can go check that out, because this color is the color of the year by the official color authority called Pantone or Pantone. I don't know how to say that name. So yeah, go ahead and check that out. It's on our website, justbrandish.com, or you can just follow the link below that I've given in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I hope you loved all the products that we showed you and it inspired you to try out some new products. Do let us know what you've been loving in this past few months in the comments down below, and we will be leaving a ton of information on our social media websites where all you can come and follow us in the description box below. So make sure you're expanding that little box right below the video and reading all the information on there. Also, there is a little like button down there, so you can just hit that if you love this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we make these videos every Sunday for all of you. And if you subscribe to us, you will be the first ones to come to know that we have published a new video. And we look forward to seeing you in our new video next Sunday. Meanwhile, keep brandishing. Bye-bye.